Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I really just wanted to play with some makeup, just sit down and just use some stuff that I haven't really used before and just try to create something easy and fun at the same time. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I gathered quite a bit of products that either came in my BoxyCharm boxes or just products that I've had that I just haven't had an opportunity to use yet. So today I really wanted to try out this Pure palette. It's their festival one. This came in their, I believe it was the April box, and the colors are just so pretty. We have some glitters right here, which looks like gel-based glitters. We have some mattes, not a lot of mattes. We have about 3 mattes, and everything else is pretty much a really nice shimmer. So I did swatch everything for you guys, so I really just wanted to sit down, play with it, and try to create something, like I said, fun, easy, and just really colorful. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and what I thought about this palette, then please keep on watching. So for today's look, I really wanted to try out this palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, and I did swatch a few colors, but I haven't really used it on my eyes yet. So I think I'm going to start off with Epic, and I'm going to bring this pretty high up into my transition area. And I'm just going in with my Fenty brush. It's actually a really nice peachy tan shade. It's a really nice warm transition tone. So now I'm going to take this shade right here and really deepen my crease area. And that's Hidden Desert. I'm just using my Morphe M441. And I'm going to start with the back of my crease because I want the most pigment and most product to be laid out there. And I'm just working in circular motions. And I'm holding my brush pretty far back just so I have more control. So once I have most of the product where I want it, I'm just going to take the remaining product that's left over my brush and slowly start buffing it in towards the inner portion, just so everything blends seamlessly. So I think I want to incorporate this pink onto my lids somewhere. I just want something really bright and fun on my lids. And I think I should probably cut my crease a little bit. So I'm just going to do that really quick. I'm only going to do a half crease, I guess, just in the inner portion, because that's mainly where I want this pink. And I'm just using a regular concealer. This one's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that pink on a flat brush, and I'm just going to slowly pack this on. Wow, that's super pigmented. Just going in with a more precise brush. This is the same brush I used to cut my crease. So I just cleaned off that same brush I used to pack on that hot pink, which was Wild Child. And I think I want to slowly start adding a little bit of this shade right here. This is called Sunset. This looks like a really nice peachy coppery shimmer shade. And I'm just gonna tack a little bit on to the just the very edge of that hot pink, just to soften it so it's blending more into the darker shade. That's, I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but I actually softened it really nicely. Going back with a little bit of Hidden Desert, I'm just gonna deepen the outer V a little bit. Just ever so slightly. And I'm not swirling my brush, I'm literally just pushing the product in. When you want more pigmentation, normally just stipple the shadow for more pigment. So I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm using some Epic and a little bit of Hidden Desert. And I'm just going to buff this onto my lower lash line. So I think I'm going to go in with a very small amount of this dark brown shade. It's called All Nighter. Just taking a very small definer. Well, yeah, this is the Morphe M506. It's very small. And I'm just going to work this really close on my lower lash line. Just mainly keeping it on the outer third. And I just want a very small amount on here. Because I don't really want to make this look, I don't want to make this into a smoky look. I also just clean that brush off, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Good Vibes, which is this shimmer bronzy shade. And actually I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this also. Again, using the same brush, I really want to focus this just on the middle portion of my eye right here. So that way when the light hits it, it's a really nice shimmer reflect. And it's just something very simple and very subtle. So my waterline, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is from Bodyography in Bali Breeze. It came with my BoxyCharm box with this pure palette also. So I'm just going to see what it looks like. Okay, so it's really subtle, but I do like it. I think it goes really well with everything that's on my lower lash line. I was going to add some color, but so far I'm liking this. So instead of adding eyeliner, I think I just want to add a little bit of glitter onto my lids. And they have these two shades right here, Fireworks and 24K Magic. I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to use my fingers because it feels like more of a gel base. And I'm just going to apply this on the center of the pink. So I mainly just kept that glitter right on the center of the lid, and I tried really hard to making sure that it didn't go above that pink. So I'm just using the fluffy brush and trying to get rid of any glitter particles. So I'm going to apply some of this Artist Couture Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder into my inner tear ducts. I've really been liking this highlighter, and I'm trying to find every reason to use this more and more. I am going to dampen my brush a little bit because I really want this to pop. I think the eyes are completely done. I only kept Purple Haze. Is that Purple Haze? No, Purple Dream. I only kept Purple Dream in my inner tear ducts. I'm not really sure if I want Actually, no, I don't want to put it in my brow bone. I think it will be a little too much. I'm really happy with the way everything is coming together. I did already bronze my face. I've used my Milani Soleil bronzer in number 5. I forgot how much I really loved this product. It has, no, not purple. It has gold in there, so it gives you a really nice bronzy glow, and in person there is some shimmer. It's not overbearing, it's not obnoxious, it just looks really good, and I feel like I just have a really nice tan. So instead, I don't know, what highlighter should I use? Oh, actually, so I think I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is Hustle and Glow. So this is what it looks like. It is such a beautiful highlighter. I don't think I want to go in with too much. I just want a really subtle glow, just because the bronzer, like I said, has some shimmer in there. So I don't think you can see it on camera, but you can already see there is a natural highlight. So I'm going to add a very small amount. Hopefully you can see that. It's just so pretty. And I think this highlighter was only $6. I'm just gonna go in with a smaller brush and highlight my nose. I think for blush, I'm gonna go in with this Pacifica palette. This is the Coconut Blush. This is what it looks like, and I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna go in with the same bronzer brush that I was using and just stipple it on. Can you see the difference? It just adds a little extra. And just going in with my powder brush, I'm just going to buff everything together. No, I don't like this. Nope. So much better. Okay, so what I did is I applied Sugar Pie a little too dark, so I just kind of blotted most of it off with a baby wipe. And then I dabbed the smallest amount of MAC's Pinkprint, the Pinkprint, and then I went in with my Fenty Glossbomb. So this is the completed look. Honestly, I was very impressed with this palette. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I don't know, I don't have enough good things to say about it. Everything blended really nice. The shadows were very pigmented. There was a lot of kickback, but with anything pigmented, there's always that issue. I didn't have any fallout with the shadows on my face whatsoever. These two glitters are more of a gel base, so I felt like it went on a lot better with my fingers, and the fallout was really easy to clean up. As you saw in the video, right above where I got a little bit onto the area I didn't want glitter, it's really easy to remove it, no issues whatsoever, and the glitter didn't linger on that area. It pretty much just stayed where I needed it to. And yeah, everything was just really nice. I'm really enjoying this palette. If you guys want me to do an actual real tutorial, just, you know, with this palette, let me know. I mainly just wanted to try it out and see how it went. I've had this for a couple of months, and this was actually my first time using it. I did swatch it and I thought the swatches were beautiful, but going on my eyes, it worked out a lot better than I could have imagined. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like videos where I'm trying out new products and testing out on camera, let me know. I've been more than happy to film that for you. And if there is a look you want to see, or if there are colors in particular with not only this palette but any other palettes that you may have that you want to see a look created, let me know, comment below, and I'll be more happy to film that for you as long as I do have that palette available. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.